Did you know that over 60% of AP chemistry problems involve chemical reactions? And if your teen struggles here, they'll struggle everywhere in AP chemistry and right from the start. In the next couple of minutes, I will show you how your teen can master chemical reactions, one of the fundamentals of chemistry, so they can start AP chemistry feeling confident and ace their first quizzes and tests. And if you want to send you our quick chemical reaction diagnostic test we use with our private students, so your teen can find whether they have knowledge gaps in this foundational concept essential for surviving in AP chemistry, then text me reactions or drop it in the comments below and I will send it your way. My name is Dr. Cristina Gherasim, and I'm the director of acechemistrytutoring.com and topstemacademy.com, where we empower high achievers, ACE IGCSE, IB, and AP Chemistry and other STEM subjects so they can get accepted into top pre-med, medicine, or STEM majors and access their dream careers. And in the next couple of minutes, I will show you the 3 things your teen needs to grasp so they can get to master chemical reactions, which is, as I said, one of the fundamentals of chemistry. And when they master this, they will be well positioned to start AP chemistry feeling confident and ace their first tests. But first, why this actually matters? Where chemical reactions are the backbone of AP chemistry. If your teen can't confidently write and predict reaction products, they will lose lots of points on tests. So we observed that actually more than 60% of the students who reach out to us for help with AP chemistry don't master chemical reactions. And they don't even know that they have this problem and how much it affects their AP chemistry score. This is actually one of the first things we work on when we start working with students in AP chemistry. And when we fix this, they see their scores starting to increase in a matter of weeks. So it's not just about studying harder, but studying smarter and building a strong foundation, which allows these students to understand AP chemistry course content and score high, build confidence, and ultimately secure a high GPA, which is what everybody wants. So let's break down this hidden factor that determines the success in AP chemistry and how your teen can use it to their advantage. So the 3 biggest issues students face in chemical reactions are: first is struggling with balancing chemical equations correctly. This gets them lose points on multiple choice questions and make mistakes in problems with calculations, which are based on chemical reactions. So that actually adds up to a lot of points. And the good news is that it's very easy to fix. The second is not knowing the reaction types, which makes predicting products impossible. This is actually the cheat code to be able to predict the products of chemical reactions, which then allows students to already feel confident as they become able to gather more and more points. And the third is not understanding how reactants interact, and this is required so they can predict products correctly and be able to answer more advanced questions and problems and maximize their scores on quizzes and tests. So chemical reactions are present in most exercises throughout the AP chemistry course, and it's actually one of the keys to solving most types of problems and exercises, and especially those based on calculation, which have lots of points on the exam and tests. By mastering this before class starts, your teen will instantly have an edge over their classmates and breeze through AP chemistry while others barely pass. So DM me the word reactions or drop reactions in the comments, and I will send you our quick chemical reactions diagnostic test we use with our private students. Get your teen take the test, then you will get to know how your teen is doing in this important foundational topic and where their gaps actually are, so they become able to access top scores in AP chemistry.